Okay, this is a Poreba lathe, model TR135B2/3M. It's 53-inch swing by 120-inch centers. The machine is new in 1990. It's serial number 7402-01-06003-06. It's got a 50-inch 4-jaw chuck on it, 4-way tool post. The carriage has power rapid traverse. It's also a 6-way feed, so you have power tapered to the compound. You can see there, that's how you engage it. You have inch and metric hand wheels. That's a hardened bed. You have a removable gap, that piece right there. You have a 65-inch swing in the gap. I'm going to shoot the serial number for you. This is your feed and thread chart. Again, this machine is original paint. That's a built-in center on the tailstock, heavy-duty tailstock. Angel's going to run it for you. Okay, we're running the chuck. You turn the feed on. He's running the cross feed right now. Okay. Longitudinal. He's engaging the top slide. That's how you do taper to the power top slide. And again, you graduated there. It's got a rapid on all. It's wrapping the whole carriage. Okay. You want to do that thing where you attach it?
Oh yeah.
You can attach the carriage to the tailstock and then push the tailstock. Do that there. Okay. I guess let's run some of the other speeds. And I guess lastly we'll be threading. The high range, okay. Okay. different speed. This one is so we're in the low range. 2-speed motor. Okay.
Ready?
Ready? Engage the lead screw. There's the half nut. Now he's threading. Okay, so you saw it feed, thread, rapid. Oh, move the tailstock, Quill. It's a 2-speed tailstock. And that's it. I'm going to walk you around the back. There's a stop in the hole. That's your main motor, 50 horsepower. That's your wire tray. You can see it's all nice and neat. And we're going to open up the cabinet, I guess.
It's closed.
It's closed. Okay, that's okay. All right, well, hey, we saw the video. Basically, that's it. I'm walking in front of the whole machine. Okay, thank you for watching the video.